You think you know how to train. You think strength is about motion lifting, pushing, pulling, counting reps like they matter. But let me ask you something. What happens when you stop moving? No reps, no momentum, just your body frozen in place with every muscle screaming to quit. Most people will never experience that kind of strength because it's quiet, it's uncomfortable, and it exposes every weakness you've been hiding. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You don't need time. What you need is stillness. Because stillness is pressure. Stillness is control. Stillness is strength without escape. If you can hold tension when everything inside you wants to drop, your body will change. Your posture will change. Your discipline will change, and even your mind will become different. Today, I'm going to show you 8 isometric holds that will build real, functional strength. The kind that shows up when you run, jump, lift, carry, or just live life. These aren't random moves. These aren't fitness trends. These are ancient techniques, gymnast secrets, martial arts foundations, and strength principles used by athletes who don't just want to look strong, they want to be unshakable. Let's begin. Number 1, horse stance hold. Leg workouts hit muscles. This hits stability. The horse stance has been used in martial arts for centuries because it develops root strength, the kind of lower body that doesn't wobble, doesn't bend, and doesn't quit. It builds quad endurance, hip power, inner thigh tension, and mental toughness without any movement. How to do it? Stand wide, toes outward, drop your hips until your thighs are near parallel, back straight, chest up. Hold. 20 seconds feels like warm-up, 40 seconds feels like battle. Number 2, dead hang. Before you build pull-ups, rows, or grip strength, you must build hang strength, the foundation everyone ignores. Dead hangs decompress your spine, strengthen your shoulders, fix posture, and radically improve grip endurance, the number 1 limiter in upper body progress. If your grip fails, every other exercise fails. How to do it? Grab a bar, hang still, shoulder blades down and back, no swinging, no twisting. Hold 20 to 60 seconds. Number 3, glute bridge hold. Most people have weak glutes and they don't even know it. Weak glutes equals poor posture, weak lower back, knee pain, slow sprinting, and low power output. The glute bridge hold activates the posterior chain better than most leg exercises, especially for people who sit all day. How to do it? Lie on your back, heels close, lift your hips high, squeeze your glutes hard, and lock. Hold 30 to 60 seconds. Number 4, side plank hold. A strong core isn't just six-pack muscles, it's the muscles on the sides that keep your body stable under force. Side planks target obliques, protect the spine, prevent lower back pain, and improve balance in every daily movement. If you want athletic rotation, this hold is essential. How to do it? Elbow under shoulder, feet stacked, lift hips, body in a straight line. Hold 20 to 40 seconds on each side. Number 5, long lever plank. Normal planks test endurance. Long lever planks test true core strength by pushing the elbows forward. You increase the distance, which ramps up tension and forces your abs to resist collapse. 10 seconds here equals an entire minute of regular plank. How to do it? Elbows slightly forward of shoulders, core tight, glutes squeezed, no sagging hips. Hold 15 to 30 seconds. Number 6, isometric row hold. Most people don't realize their upper back is the engine of posture. This hold strengthens the muscles between your shoulder blades, improving alignment, preventing rounded shoulders, and creating a strong, confident shape when you stand. If you want a straight back look, this helps immediately. How to do it? Grab a towel or band, pull outward and backward, lock, elbows slightly bent, pinch shoulder blades tight. Hold 20 to 30 seconds. Number 7, reverse lunge hold. Speed and mobility start with single leg strength, and this hold isolates each leg so there are no cheating muscles helping out. It builds glute dominance, knee stability, and balance, traits athletes need but most people skip. Great for knee health, hip stability, and athletic posture. How to do it? Step back, drop knee close to floor, front knee 90 degrees, torso tall. Freeze. Hold 20 to 40 seconds per leg. Number 8, forearm knee squeeze. The secret to real core function. This hold trains the deep core musculature you can't see but feel instantly. The transversus abdominis. It protects the spine during lifts, improves breathing, and increases athletic power. How to do it? Kneel. Bring elbows to knees. Press them together hard. Don't move. Hold 20 to 30 seconds. These 8 holds are not for people who want easy work. These are for people who are done chasing reps and ready to chase control. Stillness is pressure. Pressure builds character. Character builds strength. This is Phantom Core. Hold harder, get tougher, become unbreakable. See you in the next video.